Alright, well, I hope you're having fun in Mexico, and this video just goes over the other questions that you missed on the test that we didn't cover in the live class. This is question 1. Which line appears to have an undefined slope? So, lines with an undefined slope go straight up and down. So that's going to be C. They're vertical. Which line has the greatest slope? So, D and B are both going up, but B is steeper. It's going up faster. Which line has negative slope? A is the only one going down from left to right. Which line has a positive x-intercept? So x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. And we want positive, so it needs to be over here. So that would be line C, because it crosses right here. Okay, the points -6, 2x minus 2, and -4x are on a line with slope 3/2. What is the value of x? So label your points, and you're going to use the slope formula. So this is the slope formula. And you're going to use this formula because we know the slope. So we can set this up. And this equals 3/2. Alright, so up here, x minus 2x plus 2, because we're subtracting a negative. In the bottom, this is just 2. That's really cool because that means this is equal to this, so this top part has to equal 3. So negative x plus 2 over 2 equals 3/2. So I'll come over here, negative x plus 2 equals 3, negative x equals 1, x equals -1. Sketch the graph of the line through the given point with the indicated slope. So the point is 3, -5. So this first part here tells you which way to go, right or left. So we start at 0, 0, and we go to the right 1, 2, 3 spaces. The second number, the -5, tells us where to go up and down. So we'll go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. And that right there is our point. Now our slope is 5/2. So that means up 5 over 2. So I'll count. I go up 5 spaces over 2. Up 5 spaces over 2. And now I can connect these with a line. And that's the graph of the line. Alright, the table below shows the population of Detroit from 1930 to 1920. During which interval was the rate of change in the population positive? So basically, when was it increasing? So it's going up, up, and then it starts to go down. So it's increasing from 1930 to 1950. What was the average rate of change from 1930 to 2000? So what we'll do is we take 0.95, which is what it was in 2000, minus 1.57, and put that over 2000 minus 1930. In the bottom we get 70, because we know 70 years have gone by. And in the top, I just needed to subtract that. Negative 0.62. And so I'll divide that. And it's negative 0.008858. And that's going to be a million people per year. Okay, a small company estimates its profit for producing 10 units as $500. It also estimates the profit for producing 40 units as $9,800. Assume the profit P is linearly related to the number of items produced N. Write an equation describing this situation. So you need to write your 2 points, units, money, and then we have 40 units, 9,800. So I'm going to start by finding the slope. Excuse me. And then I'll divide this and I get 310. So that's my slope. So P equals 310N plus some y-intercept. So now I'll plug in the values I have from one of the points. And if I subtract from both sides, I get that the y-intercept is negative 2,600. So here is my final equation. Or I can just write it like this. And here's number 17. Negative y is greater than or equal to 5x minus 3. The first thing you want to do is divide by negative 1. So you get y, change the direction of the sign, because you're dividing by a negative, like this. Okay, we're going to start by graphing this line. So the y-intercept is at 1, 2, 3. The slope is down 5 over 1. Down 5 over 1. And so we will use this to draw the line. It's a solid line going like this. Now we need to know where to shade, so we'll test a point. I'm going to test 0, 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 0 plus 3? Yes, 0 is less than 3, so we shade on the side with 0. And there we go.